dear friends, from April 15th to 18th, Borche Electric Open Week came to the end. But the light of technology will never fade away. Friends who were unable to attend do not need to regret it. Let's follow the overseas visiting team and embark on this technological journey. First, we arrive at Borche demonstration base. Here, experienced Borche staff will take you to learn Borche and answer your questions. Next, we're revisiting Borche Intelligent Factory. This is the national demonstration base for intelligent manufacturing of large-scale injection molding machines. Here you can witness the process of producing large-scale injection molding machines in a modular way. Now here comes the highlight, a visit to the Borche headquarters exhibition hall. 5 machine models are on display this time, including B Intelligent Electric IMM, demonstrating the intelligent injection molding solution for salad bowl lid. BD Superior Electric IMM, bringing the intelligent injection molding solution for optical lens. BD Pro new generation of direct dry ball electric IMM, presenting the intelligent molding solution for medical extraction cartridge. BUEV2 Platin Electric IMM, showing the intelligent molding solution for automobile headlight cover. BD Ha new generation of high-speed direct drive electric IMM, demonstrating the injection molding solution. 4th in-walled disposable container, produced under high-speed operation. After this, everyone explores the Borche headquarter factory together and visits Borche's automated production lines. Automated cylinder head cover production line, Nagata machining flexible production line, sheet metal laser flexible production line, clamping unit assembly line, injection unit assembly line, machine assembly line. Every farewell is not the end of this encounter, but the prelude to the next reunion. We look forward to meeting you soon.